Hi, everyone. I know that there are a bunch of different ways to get the links from the Zoom meetings onto the portal, but I just wanted to share what I've decided to do for my classes. So, what I decided to do on the topics page was to link a Google Doc for my Zoom meetings so I could just update the Google Doc every other day instead of having to go into the portal and edit my page. So for each class, I have a Google Doc where I'm going to put the Zoom videos with the integrated audio transcripts. So for my ninth graders, I just did my first class and this is how I set it up. For my 12th graders, I haven't had that class yet, but this is the document that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to get that shareable link, copy it, title it Cloud Recordings from Zoom Meetings. Oop, just kidding. I meant to do it as a link. And then just copy and paste the URL from Google and save it. And then I'm also going to make sure that it's one of the first things that pops up on the page. And I think I'm even going to put the links before the class expectations. So now when students go onto the class page, what they see right here in the middle is the cloud recordings from our Zoom meetings, and that would bring them to the page that I just showed you. So that's just one more way to do something that we're all trying to figure out. Have a good day.